If your living area is fully furnished but still feels tight and cluttered, the problem is not the space, it's the layout and the furniture choices. That's where most people get stuck, fixing the layout and choosing the right furniture so the space feels open and easier to move around. In this video, you'll transform your space step by step by improving the layout, refining the finishes, and upgrading the furniture into a modern contemporary design that feels clear and well arranged. At Design Burst, we don't just throw random ideas at your space, we study what you really need, how you live, what problems you face, and what style fits you best. Then we create detailed 3D renders, so you can actually see how your space will look before making any big decisions. Every plan is made to look beautiful and built to work for you. So, are you ready to transform your space? Visit our website or email us today and let's design your dream home together. Your family area feels crowded and unstructured, with bulky furniture, mixed decor, and no clear layout, making the space feel tight and visually overwhelming the moment you walk in. The goal here is to turn it into a warm, layered space where everything feels connected, comfortable, and visually balanced. In this case, you can keep your existing fireplace console, then use soft, warm gray for the walls, so the space feels calmer and more cohesive. Keep the ceiling flat in white with recessed pin lights for even lighting, and finish it with a light wood-look flooring so the room feels brighter and more open. Next, move to your wall treatment before adding any furniture. Instead of leaving the wall plain, install full-height upholstered wall panels for the main seating wall and pair it with vertical fluted wood panels on the adjacent sides. For the main seating, you can use an L-shaped fabric sectional sofa in a warm taupe tone. This keeps the space grounded while still feeling light and modern. Layer it with mixed throw pillows, so your sofa feels styled but not overcrowded. Right above the sofa, hang a large abstract artwork above the sofa to anchor the wall and tie in with the warm tones. At the center, use a marble-top coffee table to add contrast against the fabric sofa while keeping the layout soft and easy to move around. Style it with a ceramic vase with dried grass for a natural touch without clutter. Right beside the sofa, add a round side table for an easy-to-reach surface without crowding the main table. Below, a large neutral-toned rug anchors the setup and defines the seating area. Then a compact gray upholstered ottoman for extra seating or a footrest without taking much space. At the end of the sofa, use a curved floor lamp with a pleated shade in a warm beige tone to create a soft ambient glow. For your TV wall, use a low wooden console cabinet in a light oak finish. This keeps storage minimal while maintaining a clean horizontal visual line. Above it, mount your TV cleanly to keep everything aligned and uncluttered. Beside the console, integrate a built-in vertical display shelf with warm LED strip lighting. Use this to display books, small sculptures, and greenery so your space feels styled but still controlled. On the other side, place a tall indoor plant for greenery and mount a wall sconce for soft vertical lighting without clutter, adding depth and contrast. Then replace the existing wall art above the fireplace console with a large abstract piece to refresh the look and keep the area cohesive. On top of the fireplace, add a ceramic vase with greenery on top for a simple, uncluttered accent. For your window, install full-height curtains, allowing natural light to diffuse into the space while keeping the look light and airy. Above, add a layered circular chandelier, so it becomes a soft focal point that adds elegance while evenly lighting the entire seating area. Now, let's move to the accent seating zone. You can keep the large recliner chair in a dark gray leather finish. Place it on a separate, smaller rug, so this corner feels like its own zone without disconnecting from the main layout. Beside the recliner, add a slim console table with a curved base placed against the wall to act as a styling surface without taking up too much space. Style it with sculptural decor, stacked books, and a textured vase with greenery for a more intentional, balanced look. Above it, hang framed abstract wall art, so you create a vertical focal point that connects the entire corner. Then, an indoor plant and a mounted wall sconce in the fluted panel, adding texture and a subtle layered glow to the space. You can also place another indoor plant in the corner near the doorway, softening the edges and bringing life into the room, and a vertical framed abstract artwork on the adjacent wall. To complete the setup, install a modern geometric chandelier, so your lighting feels layered, functional, and visually interesting. Because of this setup, your family area becomes more than just a seating space. It becomes a well-balanced environment where you can relax and entertain every day, with an estimated total cost of $3,200 to $5,200. The goal here is to create a lounge-style corner where you can unwind, sit comfortably, or even have a more laid-back viewing area. Instead of relying only on recessed lights, keep the ceiling fan with a built-in light so you still get airflow and a central light source. Now, define your main seating layout. Instead of a single chair, use an L-shaped sectional sofa, creating a more inviting and lounge-like setup that encourages relaxation. Style it with a mix pillows, so you add contrast while keeping the palette calm and minimal. At the center, place an oval lightwood coffee table so the shape feels soft and safe while keeping movement around the space easy. On top, add a small ceramic vase with greenery and stacked books, keeping the styling simple and intentional. Below, use a large gray textured area rug, anchoring the entire seating area and adding comfort underfoot. For added flexibility, a round fabric poof giving you an extra seat or footrest without adding bulk. Right beside the sofa, place a round black marble side table paired with a small decorative object and a book, so you have a compact but functional surface. Beside it, add a black arc floor lamp extending over the seating area to create a focused, cozy lighting zone. For your windows, combine layered curtains and layered zebra blinds so you can control both privacy and natural light throughout the day while maintaining a clean, modern look. Now, move to your media wall. Instead of leaving it plain, install a vertical dark fluted panel behind the TV, adding depth and contrast against the lighter walls. Mount your TV cleanly at the center, and below it, use a console cabinet so storage feels sleek and visually elevated. Style the console with minimal decor pieces like small vases and objects, keeping the look clean and uncluttered. On the side, integrate a tall glass display cabinet with warm LED strip lighting, allowing you to showcase decor pieces while adding a soft ambient glow to the corner. To soften the edges of the space, place a medium-height indoor plant near the corner, bringing in a natural element without overwhelming the layout. Then, hang a framed abstract artwork in black and neutral tones, helping balance the composition while keeping the overall look subtle and refined. Because of this setup, your Zen area becomes a comfortable lounge space that feels calm, functional, and visually balanced for everyday use, with an estimated total cost of $2,200 to $3,600. And just like that, what once felt crowded and overwhelming now becomes a space that feels open, intentional, and easy to move through. Instead of bulky furniture and scattered layouts, you now have clearly defined zones that work together, so every corner has a purpose without competing for attention. If you apply the same approach, focusing on layout, balance, and thoughtful layering, you'll be able to turn your own space into something that not only looks better, but actually works better for you every single day. Your home deserves the same, but instead of guessing what furniture to buy or how to lay out your space, you can get a clear design plan first. And if you need help with your own space, you can visit our website at www.designburst24.com and reach out to us via email or WhatsApp. And you'll get a detailed 3D plan, furniture options, and a clear shopping guide. And don't forget to subscribe for more real home design.